Now we talk about hadith. Hadith number 1. Love your brother. لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى يحب لأخيه ما يحب لنفسه. Translation: None of you has faith until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. This hadith by negotiating the faith of a person who does not love for his brother what he loves for himself. Hadith number 2. For be in the world as a stranger نو في الدنيا كأنك غير غريب أو عابر سبيل. Translation: Be in the world as though you were a stranger or a traveler along a path. So everyone is on a journey. It is a journey that ends with one's meeting his Lord. When he meets Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will ask about his journey and how he behaved during it. If he realizes now that he is on a journey, he should start preparing for the meeting towards which he is heading. And the only preparation is by increasing one's faith, doing good deeds, and working for the final destination rather than for any one intermediate. Hadith number 3. Khairul Nasi Anfahumul Nas. The best person is the